Hello again and welcome to your number one sports program when a Sierra Network discovers in sports with me, Sil Akem Takagbo. Viewers, today inside the program as the national under-20 female team, we don't go get a victory inside Senegal against Guinea. We'll get for talk to the head coach, then tell you how they manage for get this victory and waiting at them future plans. Then also we'll get somebody from Eastern Lions. We will also talk to how they manage for come out from last position and the day at the top of the league now. And also we'll get an interview with the national female team coach. Now we know waiting they happen inside their young basket and waiting they hope for achieve in the young qualifying will come pretty soon. Good morning and welcome to Sierra Network Discoveries in Sport.
Good morning, sir.
You go please tell viewers what that's now you.
I'm Mina Victoria Conte Elias, the Cox, head coach for the female under-20 national team.
Okay, you be the head coach of the female under-20 national team. We all see the victory owner gets inside Senegal owner defeat Guinea by a goal to nil. So how you prepare the girls then for get that kind of victory there?
You know, say you don't take a time where they train, and one thing where they tell people and say, we normally get this league in this country, but the fact say me now, we know they see them, they go all Southside league, they play game, they play, may make again forget that players from all over the country for can play this game here so.
So whose kind of motivation I may get from the government?
The motivation is big. It is so big that not all the motivation will come and go win first who come. We know say the motivation go triple and indeed we go win. And me na the kind person I tell them I say they go win this game and Liberia back, then they see what in they come, the results where they come. So let the government ready no more. We they go win for them and come back.
Right. So as you say Liberia will get for see another victory. Whose mechanism you don't put in place for make sure see you still go and get a victory?
And I can tell people that me I not can talk, me not talk and do. One thing the guys they don't prepare, the motivation from Ajaram K, the SLFA and the government, that go motivate the people. The way they go now, then go play and would they win for comeback. Trust me, as I can always talk say, me the Cox, I believe me God where they serve and no say this time where they go back again. Now for go win victory come.
So waiting at the challenges the way you face for make sure say them girls they are be the pick where them be so right now.
The challenges them well. But to try amend some, we'll solve some, and the help of the SLFA and Ajaram K, the powerful Iron Lady, will solve them problem then. And you see, so with all the in one, as one family, the team with the technical team win a one side with the scene a 1-2 with the say, and that motivates people them for say, if we coach it on the one, so we say for the one for win for the, and indeed then go then prove them.
All right. So now can inside the future plans now, and you know say this qualification are the. We una day on so na for go na Costa Rica next year. So how possible then they could be for make sure say this under-20 team qualify and go fly the green, white and blue na Costa Rica? You
know, I know you want talk. I can always talk and say me not talk and do. I know you want talk. All say na papa God in bosom me hand. One thing I say, we don't they prepare and the pick themselves don't ready. I don't tell people and say Costa Rica not to me about by God in power they go there. Now we get for make the new under-20 turn national team inside this country where Salone and going to say, well, indeed, we made a trainer here.
Alright, so what's going to be last word to viewers they watch you right now?
And I don't tell them back again, say, when I put on prayers, we na prayers I believe, because anything way they do, now God they put first. And I tell God, thank you, God can we go, God bring we come, we don't deny, and we want to try now for train hard for go meet them because at least when they go now, they go see different. Not how we play now Senegal, are different and they go see in Liberia. By God, you empower.
Plenty, thank you for talking to me.
Thank you very much.
Good morning and welcome to Sierra Network Discoveries in Sports.
Yeah, thank you very much and welcome to viewers.
You go please tell family that now you.
My name is Mohamed Makati Bangua, member of the Eastern Lions media team.
Well, Mr. Makati, I want to tell viewers that they watch you right now the present situation of Eastern Lions in the Premier League.
Well, not to secret now. We start the Premier League, but we lost the first 3 games. But we pick up from there. We executive make sure say them put mechanism in place, motivate the voice there. No say we're a big team. We're not been deserved for those out there. We pick up from there. We win 8 straight. We not got a Premier League club never do in the history of Salon Premier League. Now we're on top of the table with 24 points. We don't play 11 games. We should say arguably we're one of the best teams in this country.
Yeah, so now they're on top of the table right now. and when I don't play 11 games, so all me see where the league may start the bad form on and the source mechanism where the coaches then put in place for make sure say the boys they will pick up their standard back.
Well, what did the coach? What did they know that when we start complacency became because also we don't win the previous league unbeatable. The boys them in just too confident say if we come back to the league now the same players them to new player in the camp we will win the league back. We play with first game. We lost to Bo Rangers Nabo. We and the people and have been we get a very good game, but we lost. And we play with second game against FC again. We played well, but we lost. We get time wrong. Then we go to Port Loko. The game not been done. It'll be abandoned match. We them give Port Loko the point. So the coach said we come back and say, boys, we are East Lions. If we the loss, so good for we. It's the first time that happened with history. For lost straight, ever happen. The executive self come. I made the vice chairman agent so call the boys and yours. Try to motivate them. Get dinner with them. Tell them say, are they going to have 3 games? If we win 3 games, we win. I say 50 million, which they did. Then they motivate them more. And the coach say, despite the money, but we get the squad, we get a depth than any other team in this country. So we need for win. All most of the team, we need to our win. He said, I win 10 straight as the head coach Silla. He said because my predecessor John Kista gone beatable. We don't lost 3 now. It's time for talk to them. You know, since I play football, play for Lions, so like you talk to the boys and say, give me that same performance when I give John Kista, that same commitment, that same encouragement when I give John Kista. Now when I give me back to my boss, now he give me this job, now make I get the job. So when I do the same thing for me, the boys then pour me some. We take them from there. So from the motivation from the executive to the admonishment from the coach, can support the boys then to a good performance. We make today, we win 8 straight. We give it 24 points. We're on top of the table now.
So when will I get for play on our next match?
We play this Saturday. We play against FC Janssen. I would say in one difficult game we always they play. And even the game will go the league will go unbeatable. Then give it tough time. We draw home and away. The other league them be about self will not be self withdraw. But you got to understand that because East Lions, you have for FC Lions players, most of them come to East Lions. So they know the formation of John Kista, and that formation of John Kista left with Silla. Even though Silla want for getting new information now, so they understand we very, very well. So we find it difficult for play. But this time, a different Lions in the play. Now we get a new technical team. We get a new mentality. Not to John Kista again. So then they approach with the team. We remember that we would have win 6 straight. The executive promised the boys stay again. If they win the next 3 games and they get 50 million, and they also win 2. Now he left this game against FC. So FC actually play with the wrong time. The time where the boys don't know if they win, they win 50 million. The time where they know if they win 9 straight. So now the wrong time and they play with. So Saturday, now all out win for Eastern Lions.
So who's last Saturday go give Eastern Lions supporters? Then they come in numbers for can support the club come Saturday.
Well, I want to talk to the fans. Now people who you don't need for talk to because they are always around for support the club. I just want for encourage and say this time the club, may they come around for support. Like they do. In fact, the fan club now they give player of the week. After every week we play, then they buy a clock, give the player money for motivate the players. So it's the fans then second way for motivating the players. Them the last one, Ishmael Dumbia win. We win himself clock and I think 400,000 euros. Now players now know say now playing well. Win the man of the match, they give you a clock and money. So then they say don't motivate them. So I want to call on all these Lions fans, the executive, all the one where they are around this club, the province, when they come on Saturday in numbers, can watch the club, where they go win, will make another history because Lions are the only club who win 8 straight. No club not one any history of Premier League. One of the first one, the last club we do on FC Calon, where Coach Abus and Kombi Dede, they win 6 straight. We don't win 8 straight now. So we continue for me the record. So let them come on Saturday in numbers, or they can get 3 points against FC Janssen.
Plenty, thank you for talking to me.
Thank you very much.
Good day and welcome to Sierra Network Discoveries in Sports.
Good day.
You go please tell family that's not you.
I'm Coach Abdoulaye Ba, but popularly people can call me Coach Kaluga, the head coach for the Sierra Leone women's national team.
You be the head coach of the Sierra Leone women's national team. I want you to tell viewers then wait they happen inside the national team right now and waiting on our future plans then.
Presently we're on training for the past 2 months now with the train in preparation for the women's AFCON qualifiers against the Gambia, who will be on the late October, on the 28th or so, inside Liberia, because presently we're not able for host matches in a salon. So past we go Liberia for go play. So we're there on that preparation there now. Hectic one. Day in, day out, we work on them and try for see how best we can bring them ladies there so to the
to the required level we want them for letting this, so that in return then go for put out a good performance. We then go emulate the performance of the man them for see how best we can work as a nation for reaching the highest level of women football in the continent.
So how una able map them picking, how una able map out them for no una able draw them come inside the national team? Usa una able scout them?
Of course we will get a base. Some of them they will be playing at Liberia, because while we not be they play with women football now, they be playing at Liberia. So we'll get a few of them. At the provincial side, them we will get half leagues and what they go about. So when they go around there for go see them, so we don't bring them. Some of them presently they with the under-20 national team where they play the under-20 qualifiers for the under-20 World Cup will get for take place now Costa Rica next year. So we bring them come together, we do a general assessment of the whole, get the one the way for Ghana under-20, get the one the way for Canada senior team. But at the end of the day, we'll get a blend, because some of them within the under-20 team, we see them say, even though they age them, fall on the under-20, we can still able for match them together for let them play for winner the senior team.
So how the relationship turn like with una the coaches them and the National Sports Authority?
We not to get much for do with them, because that get for do with the federation. Your responsibilities about coming out here and make sure say we get the players them ready. Anything we get for do with NSA, get for do with Sierra Leone Football Association, when at the federation, where they look after we, so now then get discussion for we get a very good working relationship with the federation. Women football different from man, a lot challenges than they, but because we work together as a team, then we're able to see how best we can able for cut some of them challenges, and because it's normal, we can to woman them more.
So what's going to be last word to viewers and the word of encouragement we go give Sierra Leoneans them for themselves get fit in the female team?
We not say difficult. We can to woman football, because get that kind establishment date now we country. But we want for encourage and that we just continue for support. We support them just 50%, like how you support the man them and see how far they go. And we'll get them 2 games here, the under-20 get game for play. They return leg against the Guineans, and we don't defeat their 1 goal away. Where they go for go defend that one then at Liberia on the 9th. Where they ask for support. It's not about us, the government or NSA or the Sierra Leone Federation. It's about other corporate houses them around. They can use their woman team there for do a lot of campaign against woman violence, child abuse, all the other half thing. And so instead of them they pay some money, then they use, we then can use them picking there, can give sponsorship, so that whenever there is a match, statements will come out from the captain, they will play. And presently we get regional women football that take place all over the country, where they play all the 4 regions. A free tournament we not started, considering the number of first and second division male teams where them go down courts, and then there we go play with on. So then can go about use them podium, then they for do sensitization and a lot of things that we get for do with women and girls them. But then they may want for encourage a lot use them picking there how they play football, because the football grounds and they bring in a lot of people them. We go over for sending message, and when they send that message, they go direct at the right side outside for go.
Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you very much.
Viewers, una sef don't listen as the female under-20 coach don't tell we how he managed for get this victory inside Guinea, and also don't tell we say go fight and very hard for get a victory inside Liberia, and also we don't listen waiting Eastern Lions media person itself don't say concerning how they manage and the motivation where they give the boys there for make sure say they go able to reach the peak where they present inside the Sierra Leone Premier League. And also we get Coach Kaloga who himself explain tell we waiting in plans for make sure say the girls them also be compared to the Sierra Leone male team for themselves go put on a very good performance in the young qualifying we go come pretty soon. Me don't be your host when Sil Akem Takago. Plenty thank you to my camera operator on Samuel Bright, and also to my executive producer when Dr. Aissatou Kake Jallo. Until then, always tune to Sierra Network Discoveries in Sports.